So what do we have here? We're inside the museum.
This is very old.
And what do you call this museum?
It's a water mill, historical water mill, and some historical parts of agriculture and lifestyle. Easter, before Easter, something like that.
So they wear costumes.
They have it even now.
Oh, really? So this is an example of how they look like. Oh, it's interesting. Oh my god, scary like a demon. Oh, look at that. So they have a celebration before, which also till now they wear costumes like the ones you see in the picture. Listen to the history. And this is an example of what they wear. Look at the feet. So these are the masks they wear. Scary. Unfortunately, there is no English. No English explanation. This museum is just meant for locals. But if you have a guide, no problem. This is a mill. What is like sink?
Yeah, washing.
To wash. This is what they used to. Is this original or just a copy, a replica?
Well, they cook bread in this kind of. My mother cooked bread in this kind of stuff. They made the cake here, bread here. Maria, butter maker.
Really? Wow, this is where they make butter. Can you open? Of course, it's nothing anyway. No, don't touch. These are old pictures. This one is 1934 photograph. Look at the babushkas. These are all images of Virgin Mary. These are old lamps, lanterns. Also,
this is my mom had this one. My dad had this one. It's from the part of Lithuania.
and both make butter.
This is cheese press cheese. You know.
Pressed cheese, cepellini, and this is separator.
Inside this.
Oh, a lot of people have to avoid them. Face back. Don't.
The entrance to this building is up there.
Okay,
Not here.